Darts are these little pleats you sew on your patterns before you sew it together, so this two-dimensional fabric becomes a 3D one. And I want to make a review about 6 I've used. In the description box below I'll leave you a link to all the garments that have a video, but if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. I upload a video a week, so that way you don't miss anything. Maria Antoniette today is helping us with all this task. She's taking all the light from me. Well, there are lots of different darts, but basically where you have something bulky, there goes a dart. And the same dart can have different ways of doing it. For example, the bust dart can go down, can go up to the shoulder even, so there's different ways. This one I made a bit horizontally, which is not as nice as if you made it down, if you place it down a little, or even up to your cross front line. Another basic dart is the waistline one, and you need it to get rid of all the excess fabric when your pattern comes down straight from your chest area. All this excess fabric needs to go somewhere to make the garment snug and tight. And to make it, you need to find your highest bust point, and from there go straight down to your waistline. And to know how much fabric you can get rid of, you can subtract the chest minus the waist. And of course divide it then by 2 because you have 2 darts. And then we have a combination of the bust dart and the waistline dart. And it is the Princess Sim, which is really pretty. I'm quite proud of this because I had to learn from scratch how to do it, and I was quite afraid because it looked like a whole world, but it turned out okay, so I'm quite pleased with it. Mine looks a bit low here. I should have made it a bit upwards, but it's okay. Next one will be better. It's just a combination of them two, and you have to follow both theories. You have to do the bust dart and the waistline dart, but you are going to extend up to your bust and then cut the excess fabric so you can sew it back again. I love this next one. It's a pity I don't have a video about it, but it's really nice. I love this dress. I wore it to my friend's wedding, and it's the wrong fabric completely because it's a thick canvas, and I was really hot the whole day. And there was a kalima as well, so it was quite an easy dress to make because I made it on my waistline, and then the skirt is a whole panna that I pleated, and then from the bodice I added a facing. The zipper is here on the side, of course. And then my problem was that I didn't want to cut the cactus. I wanted for them to be seen as much as possible, and if I added a waist dart I would have cut them, so I was modeling on the mannequin, and I decided to pleat it here on the side down to the waist, and apparently that's called a French dart. I didn't know that, but a lady told me when I published it on Reddit, and it was quite nice of her. I love how stylish it is. It's really youthful and fun. and I'm willing to do another one someday. And for bottoms we need the same darts as well. It's the same concept, and it is to get rid of all the excess fabric we have coming from the hip up. This skirt I made when the Great British Sewing Bee started last year, and it's really easy to do. And even though it doesn't have any darts on the front because it's crossed and it doesn't need it, it does have it on the back. And this last garment Marie Antoinette can show us really well because it's a pair of trousers. But it's this double dart that is really nice. You can use it on skirts, trousers, or even dresses. And you get it from putting together the one that comes from the bust to the waist and the one that comes from the hip to the waist. Because darts are just like little triangles, when you double it, when you add the other one, you get this nice diamond one, which is really flattering. I've used it a lot. It's a bit hot, this pair of trousers, because it comes up this high. I didn't make it from scratch because I followed a Burda pattern from the 80s, which was a bit challenging because I didn't know what to do, but it looks really good. Thank you for your services. And these have been the 6 darts I've used, and let me know down in the comments what you think, if you've heard about all of them, if there's one that's new to you, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything next week. Bye!